Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite nude lipsticks. So I have a lot. So guys, I have a couple of drugstore ones. So today I'm going to share with you my drugstore nude lipsticks, and maybe in the next video I'll share with you my high end, because in one video if I start showing you all the lipsticks it is going to take a very long time, and I don't want this video to be too long. So today I'm just going to share with you just a couple of drugstore ones, because there are not too many, and these are proper nude shades, not pinky nude, mauve or all that, just brownie tone nude shades. So I'll share with you everything. So if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmin. I do makeup related videos and reviews, tutorials. So if you come across my channel, do subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell so you can be notified when I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. So anyways, let's dive in the video. So firstly, I am going to share I have lip glosses as well as lipsticks. So we have that. I don't have any bullet lipsticks from drugstore, the proper nude color which I like, so I just have liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. So I am really sorry about that. So firstly, going on to L'Oreal. So this is the L'Oreal Signature Liquid Lipstick, and I have the shade 110 I Empower. All the shades are very similar to each other, so I am sorry about that. But this is actually a stain. This is not a proper liquid lipstick, so it is very comfortable, and I love these tones of brownie nude color, so I really like that. But this is very lightweight. It doesn't feel anything on your lips. It is just a stain and it stays for a longer period of time. But the shade in general is a very beautiful one, and it is very comfortable, lightweight. You don't feel anything on your lips. So we have that, and this will also complement a lot of skin tones. So you have that, and they have a huge range of shades to choose. So yeah, that's actually really great. Then going on to ColourPop. Now ColourPop has amazing lipsticks, but I don't really like the matte ones. They are simply really not comfortable for my liking. They are very dry, and I just really love this lip gloss from ColourPop. This is Kathleen Light's collab, and it is in the shade Moonchild. It is one of my favorite lip glosses of all time, and this is a nice pigmented lip gloss. It is not the sheer ones. All the lipsticks that you will see are in the similar color range. So we have that, because I don't really like very deep brown shades as well. So if you are someone similar to my skin tone, or someone little bit deeper than mine or lighter than me, this will actually suit you really well. So we have that, and obviously ColourPop has amazing lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, so you can obviously choose whatever color you want. But I really love this shade, and it is one of my go-to lip glosses. Whenever I don't find the lip gloss that I want, I usually put this on. It is my absolute favorite, and yeah, this is my go-to lip glosses of all the time. So these are the Maybelline Stay Ink liquid lipsticks, and they also have amazing shade range, and they have deeper ones as well. They have the deeper ones, and they have shades which are warm and will suit a large number of skin tones. And this also will actually look really great to light to medium skin tone, not for deeper skin tone. This would be very light, but if you pair it with a deeper lip liner or a deeper lipstick, and you place it in the center of the lip, this would actually look really great. So I have actually two, but this one I like more. So this is the 60 Poet lip color, and they are very comfortable, so they are not the drying ones. By now you should know that I don't love the lipsticks which are drying, so this is actually not drying at all. It is very comfortable, so you can see what kind of nudes I like. Then I have just a couple of lipsticks from NYX, and actually that's all. I don't really have a lot of lipsticks from drugstore which really like from drugstore in the nude version, so I really don't have anything else. So firstly I have the NYX Intense Butter Gloss. It is in the shade Tres Leches. I don't know, somehow I can't really find the Intense Butter Glosses online. I don't know whether they are discontinued or what. I'm really sorry. I don't really know what people above me are doing. Honestly, I seriously don't know. They keep on banging their windows. I honestly don't know. I'm sorry about that. But I really can't find the Intense Butter Gloss on their website as well, so I'm not sure whether they have discontinued it or what. I'm not sure, but I mean, I just have this one shade and it is a beautiful nudie pinky brownie shade and it is very comfortable. It smells amazing. I mean, this is not more brownie one, this is more of a pinky nude one. So we have that and it is actually very comfortable. Then going on to the butter gloss, we have the shade Creme Brulee. This is a classic lip gloss. I mean, everyone has it and it is very beautiful. It is, I mean, you can't really ask for more because it is really so good and it is so comfortable. So we have that. So you can see the Intense Butter Gloss is so intense, the color payoff is a lot, and this doesn't have that much. This one is more of a sheer, just with wash of color. Then going on to the last two lipsticks, which is the NYX Soft Matte Cream. So I have the two shades. So first we have the shade Cannes and then we have Abu Dhabi. This is the shade Cannes. So this is also more of a pinky one. So we have that, and then we have the shade Abu Dhabi. I mean, these are also the most comfortable lip cream you can ever use, and it is affordable. It is not very expensive also. I mean, I don't know, somehow I prefer the more brownie tone lipsticks, lip glosses, rather than the pink ones. I really don't know, but I don't know whether, even if you have a bold eye look, smoky eye look, I prefer the nudie ones rather than the pinky mauve ones. And I really don't have a lot of pinks and mauve tone nudes. I have more of the brownie tones. So I really love this whatever is going on here. I really love it. And I mean, even this lip gloss will suit a lot of skin tones. I mean, if you use a deeper lip liner or a deeper lipstick with it, these will actually, you know, complement a lot of skin tones. So actually that is actually all, because I don't have a lot of nude lipsticks from drugstore, which I really love. I have a lot from high end, so that I'll maybe share it in next video. But I think this was actually all for this video, and the one which I'm wearing, it is from high end, so that I'll obviously share it in my next video, but that will also be up soon. So yeah, guys, this was all for today's video. I know it was very short. I mean, a lot of people will be happy that it was a short video, but I mean, I just have these, so I wanted to just share it with you guys. So let me know in the comments below which lipsticks do you prefer from these, or which brand you prefer, or which is your favorite nude lipsticks. Please let me know in the comments below, so even I can check it out for, I mean, I can check it for myself, if whether it is going to suit me or not. So please, if you have any recommendations, please do let me know in the comments below. And this was all for today's video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.